We can solve this system of equations using elimination. Adding the two equations together, we get 2x plus y equals 12. Solving for x, we find x equals 12y/2. Substituting this value of x into the first equation, we get 12y/2 plus 2y equals 10. Multiplying both sides by 2, we get 12 minus y plus 4y is equal to 20. Combining like terms, we get 3y equals 8. Therefore, y equals 8/3. This expression is in the form of the difference of squares, a plus b, a b, equals a superscript 2 b superscript 2. In this case, a equals x superscript 2 and b equals 1. Therefore, x superscript 2 plus 1, x superscript 2 1 equals x superscript 2 superscript 2 1 superscript 2 equals x 1. To solve for x, we can use elimination. Multiplying the second equation by 3, we get 3x 3y equals 3. Adding this equation to the first equation, we get 5x equals 15. Dividing both sides by 5 gives us x equals 3. A vertical asymptote occurs where the denominator of a rational function equals 0, making the function undefined. The denominator of f(x) is x1, and this equals 0 when x equals 1. Therefore, the function f(x) has a vertical asymptote at x equals 1. A rational function is undefined when the denominator equals 0. The denominator of f(x) is x2, which equals 0 when x equals 2. Therefore, f(x) is undefined for x equals 2 only. Triangle ABC is a right triangle, so we can use the Pythagorean theorem, a superscript 2 plus b superscript 2 equals c superscript 2, where a and b are the lengths of the legs and c is the length of the hypotenuse. In this case, AB equals 5 and AC equals 12, so BC is the hypotenuse. Substituting into the Pythagorean theorem, we get 5 superscript 2 plus 12 superscript 2 equals BC superscript 2, or 169 equals BC superscript 2. Taking the square root of both sides gives BC equals 13. The circumference of a circle is given by the formula c equals 2 pi r, where r is the radius of the circle. We are given that the circumference is 10 pi, so 10 pi equals 2 pi r. Dividing both sides by 2 pi gives us r equals 5. The area of a circle is given by the formula a equals pi r superscript 2. Substituting 5 for r gives us a equals pi, 5, superscript 2 equals 25 pi. To solve for x, we first subtract 5 from both sides of the equation. 3x plus 5 minus 5 is equal to 14 minus 5, which simplifies to 3x equals 9. Then, we divide both sides of the equation by 3. 3x slash 3 is equal to 9 slash 3, which gives us x equals 3. We can solve for x by adding the two equations together. Notice that the y terms cancel out. This gives us 3x minus 2y plus x plus 2y is equal to 7 plus 5, or 4x equals 12. Dividing both sides by 4, we get x equals 12 fourths, or x equals 3. Subtracting 2 from both sides of the equation gives 3x equals 12. Dividing both sides of the equation by 3 gives x equals 4. To solve for x, we first subtract 3 from both sides of the equation. 2x plus 3 minus 3 is equal to 11 minus 3, or 2x equals 8. Then, we divide both sides of the equation by 2. 2x slash 2 equals 8 halves, or x equals 4. We can use the distributive property to multiply the binomials. 2x plus 1, 3x5, equals 2x, 3x5, plus 1, 3x5, equals 6x superscript 2 10x, plus 3x5 equals 6x superscript 2x5.